Bantip khamba halor kilat ban shim me kita ki jingada Lada ki Jumai ni wan lung shop kinu Khubor Mariang. Ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority bat ka District Disaster Management Authority Bhoi District ka Revenue and Disaster Management Department harangkat ka jingat Trelang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority menta ka sngi khandai tarik rempang kila Pynlong da ka program ban hikai syakipat ba bantip halor kita kilat jingada Lada wan lung shop kita Khubor Mariang lani ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster. Ya kani ka program ay jing hikai la Pynlong ha Shillong airport ka badon ha umroy Bhoi district ha kani ka mock drill ujumai ba pra.r magnitude ulakhi ha Shillong airport ha ka bala sakhi ba ka Shillong airport kala sha lingshop ha kani ka Jingkhynniuh ujumai. Hakani ka mock drill lawan banshim bantalang da uba A Marthong Assistant Commissioner Bhoi District ki he officer nakatanat pulit kinong tray nakatanat kakwat kakya nakatanat Fire and Emergency Service kinong tray na Bhoi Rembong Sian Adi Block kinong tray ka Shillong Airport umroy lambat kiwe ki he officer. Hakani ka juk asingi la Pynlong ru yakani ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster ha MS Umyam Distillation Private Limited EPIP bernihat.
First of all, I'd like to inform every one of you that the search and rescue operation at airport has been completed successfully. And I congratulate every one of you, all the departments involved, for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here. Today's mock drill here at airport is not just a routine exercise, but is an exercise to prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, then confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives. So I congratulate every one of you.